Hello and good morning, dear students. In today's lecture of the subject Entrepreneurship Development, we will be studying the qualities of successful entrepreneur. So let's see. So for 1 or 2 minutes, we will revise the term entrepreneur, and then we will go through the characteristics and the classification or types of entrepreneur. Okay. See, in the last lecture, we have gone through the definition of entrepreneur. See, among the four factors of production, that is land, labor, capital, entrepreneur, the fourth factor of production itself is entrepreneur. बघा, जे आपण 4 फॅक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन बघितलेले आहेत आत्तापर्यंत, त्या 4 फॅक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शनमधलं फोर्थ फॅक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन कुठलं आहे? तर एंटरप्रिनियर आहे. बरोबर आहे. आता जेव्हा आपण ह्या फोर्थ फॅक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शनचा विचार करतो, ओके, इट इज टर्म्ड ॲज द मोस्ट ॲक्टिव्ह फॅक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. बघा, जेव्हा आपण या फोर्थ फॅक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शनचा विचार करतो, सगळ्यात ॲक्टिव्ह फॅक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन म्हणून ह्या फॅक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शनला म्हणजेच एंटरप्रिनियरला ओळखलं जातं. Entrepreneurs are the people who initiate the business. Okay, who is entrepreneur? Entrepreneur is a person who initiates, who starts the business or enterprise. See, only starting the business or only initiating the business is that much sufficient? No. The person runs the business, okay, uses new techniques, new changes, adopts new strategies, uses different policies and procedures, uses his mind, uses his creativity, has a duty of being organizer and producer. That is what this person does. Yes, he organizes the other factor of production. Okay, what he does, he organizes the other factors of production. Means what? Yes, what it means? It means that yes, he collects, he searches for other factors of production, he collects all these factors of production together, and he establishes a link between all these factors of production. बघा, हा व्यक्ती काय करतो? हा व्यक्ती सर्व जे फॅक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन आहेत, या सर्व फॅक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शनला ओके सर्च करतो, शोधतो. ओके, म्हणजे तो लँड शोधतो, लेबरर्स हायर करतो, कॅपिटल मिळवतो. ओके, हे सर्व गोष्टी तो करतो. ओके, ओनली कलेक्टिंग ऑल दिस फॅक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. ओके, इज दॅट इनफ? No, it is not enough. Okay, what he does, he collects all the factors of production, and then what he does, yes, he establishes a linkage or link between all these factors of production. Okay, see, why establishing link between all these factors of production is important? Because okay, unless until this person establishes a link between all these factors of production, yes, the production activity will never get completed. Okay, so what he does, yes, he organizes the factors of production, and then yes, what he does is surely what he does, he undertakes the production activity. He does the production activity, and whatsoever product he has dreamed for, okay, जेही प्रोडक्ट ज्याच्याविषयी त्यांनी विचार केलेला असतो, तो प्रोडक्ट ओके प्रोडक्शन ॲक्टिव्हिटी थ्रू तो कंप्लीट करतो आणि तो मार्केटमध्ये पुट करतो, मार्केटमध्ये प्रेझेंट करतो. येस, ही पायनियर्स चेंज. Yes, what this person does, he pioneers change. Change means he introduces the change. Okay, he introduces the change. Means something different. Okay, something different is invented by this person, and that different is placed in the market. Okay, and due to his difference, whatsoever he has highlighted, due to the difference whatever this person has identified, okay, he creates new things. Okay, and those new things, okay, are converted into new practices by this person. Okay, and other competitors, other people who are selling into the same product line, they are required to follow this person. Okay, this happens. Then this person takes risks and responsibilities. Okay, he gets the final reward called as profit. Okay, he is a dream maker, he is creator of wealth, he has a strong achievement drive. Okay, all these things we have discussed in the last lecture. Okay, then see, overall, when we consider entrepreneur are individuals. Okay, yes, they are individuals, they are people like you and me. Okay, who collect means of production. Okay, means of production means unless until these means are available, unless until these things are available, you can't conduct the production activity. Okay, such type of factors or such type of resources, they are collected by this person. Then what he does, yes, he organizes an enterprise. Okay, see, only collecting of the resources is not important. Okay, you are in need of some roof under which you will be conducting the production activity, that is your enterprise. Okay, under this roof, under the roof of the enterprise, you will be conducting the production activity. Then innovate. Okay, see, this word is very important into our subject fundamentals of entrepreneurship as well as entrepreneurship development. Whenever we come across entrepreneurship and anything, okay, this word innovate or innovation is very important. Okay, see, the literal meaning of the word innovate or innovation itself is what? Something new. Okay, बघा, innovation. ओके, हे दोन्ही शब्द जे आहेत ते एंट्राप्रिनियरशिपमध्ये खूप इम्पॉर्टंट आहेत. कारण की ओके, अनलेस अंटिल इनोव्हेशन इज देअर, इनोव्हेशन नसेल तर एंट्राप्रिनियरशिप फेल जाऊ शकते. त्यामुळे हा जो वर्ड आहे इनोव्हेट किंवा इनोव्हेशन, ओके, खूप इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. त्याच्यामुळे त्याचा डिटेल अर्थ आपल्या लक्षात येणं खूप गरजेचं आहे. ओके, इनोव्हेट म्हणजे काय? समथिंग न्यू. बघा, तुमच्याकडे नोटबुक आत्ता असेल, ओके, त्याच्यामध्ये मीनिंग लिहून घ्या. इनोव्हेट म्हणजे काय? समथिंग न्यू. ओके, सी, वेन वी कन्सिडर इनोव्हेट, ओके, new things, new ways, new combination, new product, new location. Okay, always this person should be searching for something which is new, something which is different than others. Okay, so that it will be easier for him and create new things. Okay, see, this entrepreneur, he is required to create something new, something which is unique, something which is different than others. Okay, why? See, if he does or if he produces something which is alike to one another or anybody else, okay, or it is homogeneous to any another person, any another competitor or entrepreneur who is prevailing into the product line, okay, what will happen? Yes, he will be termed as imitator. Okay, he will be termed as the follower. Okay, and the things which he is carrying, it might not be much liked by the customers because already, okay, few of the competitors, they might be dealing into the same field. Is it? Okay, then bear the risk in the expectation of the reward in the form of profit. See, entrepreneurs, they are meant to bear the risk. Okay, they take risk as the challenge. Okay, whenever they are initiating their business, they take this as a challenge. Okay, unless until they bear the risk, okay, they will not get the reward or return for which they are striving harder, that is profit. Okay, so entrepreneurs, they are the individuals who collect means of production, organize an enterprise, innovate, create new things, and bear the risk in the expectation of the reward in the form of profit. Okay. Now let's see the characteristics of entrepreneur. The first characteristic of entrepreneur is self motivation. Yes, self means oneself, and motivation. What do you mean by motivation? Yes, motivation means the inspiration, the inducement, the push to achieve something. Okay? सेल्फ मोटिवेशन म्हणजे नेमकं काय? बघा, सेल्फ म्हणजे तो स्वतः. मोटिवेशन म्हणजे अभिप्रेरणा ज्याला म्हणतो आपण. ओके, सी self motivation. What this characteristic of entrepreneur means? Self motivation means this person, he should be having a inner urge. Okay, he should be having a urge within his personality, within his mind, that something should be achieved. Okay, see, if somebody externally is forcing him to build a enterprise, if somebody is pushing him towards the entrepreneurship as a career, okay, that is not enough. Okay, he himself from, or he should be having that inner feeling that I should run an enterprise, I should initiate the enterprise. Okay, likewise. Okay, getting it? What self motivation means? Self motivation means he should be having that inner feeling to do something different. Okay, and on his own, he should be starting, or he should be taking the steps towards the initiation of the enterprise or incorporation of the enterprise. Okay, getting it? Then the second thing is creative. Okay, creative. What it means? Creative means something different. Creative means something different. Say this person, entrepreneur, he should be having that ability of creativeness. Okay, see, for example, there are certain competitions. See, right, whenever we were in school, okay, usually we would used to have some competitions. Is it like drawing competition and all? Okay, see, whenever drawing competition and such type of competitions are there related to arts and all, okay, many of the time what happens, two people, okay, or two participants, they have drawn the same thing. For example, okay, both of them, they have drawn scenery into it, scenery. Okay, they have drawn scenery, or they have painted the scenery. See what happens if one is to be selected from those two sceneries, and one of them, yes, is to be given first prize, and one of them is to be given second prize. What is the strategy used there? The strategy is that which is near perfect. Is it? See, which is near perfect and which is more creative. Okay, what difference that person, that artist, that participant has done into his painting and all those things. Okay, that is much more important. Okay, so in the same way, this entrepreneur, he needs to be creative. He needs to present whatsoever he is having, that is the product, whichever he is marketing, whichever he is producing, whichever he is presenting into the market. Yes, he should be able to place that product in a different manner. That itself is creativeness. Then passionate, see, this person, entrepreneur, he has the strong urge, okay, to achieve something. Okay, and he stick to it. Yes, something should be achieved. Okay, behind this motive, he sticked up. He is sticked up. Okay, though he faces failures, though he faces deprivations, distresses, still nothing can pull him down. Okay, so this person is passionate. Then optimistic. See, optimistic and pessimistic. These two words we have heard, right? Optimistic and pessimistic. These two words we have gone through. Optimistic means what? The positive thought. And pessimistic means what? Negative thought. See, many of the time, what happens? Many of the people, they do have negative thoughts. Okay, due to negative thoughts, though they are making efforts, much more efforts to achieve something, due to this negative thoughts itself, okay, they fail to achieve whatsoever they are dreaming for. Okay, this entrepreneur, this person, this entrepreneur, he is required, yes, he is required to have positive thoughts. Okay, he is required to have positive thoughts. See, one day he will be facing or he will be suffering from failures or losses. One day he will be earning profit. Okay, see, these are the two sides of the coin actually. Okay, someday he will be, yes, earning profit, someday he will be suffering from heavy losses. Okay, see, failures never deprive entrepreneur because he should be having positivity into his thoughts. Okay, he should believe in the thing that, okay, though the situation might be anything, though the situation might be anything, but through his efforts, through his efforts, through the strength which he is having, he can change the situation. This is optimistic. This is optimistic all about. Then future oriented. Okay, future oriented. Not only the entrepreneur lives in present, but whenever he is planning for the steps which he is taking day to day, or whatsoever activities he might be conducting into the day to day operations, okay, in that somewhere he might have planned for the future also. Okay, and he believes in the phrase, okay, which we have heard since childhood, kal kare so aaj kare so ab. Is it? We have heard this phrase. What it means? Okay, something which you have planned for tomorrow, start doing it today. What you have planned for today, start it now itself. Is it? Okay, what it means? It means that you should start actions right at this moment. No moment is right or wrong actually. Okay? If you waste a second, if you waste a minute, yes, whole your future will be wasted. This is all about it. So, what this entrepreneur does, the entrepreneur, while he's taking efforts, the entrepreneur, while he is taking efforts, okay, in present, he always plans for future. What changes will happen in the market in the future? Okay, he goes through it. He thinks on it. Okay, and what he does is, yes, what he does? He plans thoroughly his future and the action plan whichever he has prepared. The action plan whichever he has prepared, he acts on it. Due to this, what happens? Yes, he will never go wrong. Or if he thinks that the plan which he has done is not working properly, okay, he will always be having an alternative plan supportive to the plan A. Okay, due to this, what will happen? Yes, okay, he will face less failures, or the losses in turn which he will be suffering, it will be negligible or in small proportion. Getting it? Okay, then persuasive. The qualities of successful entrepreneur. See, every entrepreneur or any individual, whenever he thinks that he should be an entrepreneur, at this time, yes, he should be having something, some qualities into him, okay, or he has certain competencies within himself. So, what are the different qualities and competencies, okay, of entrepreneur to become successful? Okay, we will see here. The first quality and competency of successful entrepreneur is ambition. Ambition. See, what do you mean by ambition? Successful entrepreneurs have high ambitions about their venture. See, whenever we think about entrepreneurs, who are entrepreneurs? Yes, entrepreneur, as we have gone through the meaning, characteristics of entrepreneur. What it means? Yes, these entrepreneurs, they are, yes, they are the individuals who have some difference into their personality. Okay, through their difference into the thinking itself, okay, what they have chosen is a career to become an entrepreneur. So when this person, okay, he establishes his venture, that is his enterprise, okay, at the time itself, okay, while he thinks about his enterprise, see, or he initiates his enterprise, or he thinks that I should initiate the enterprise, okay, see, some plans, okay, they are prepared by this person, okay, and he has dreamed something for his venture, for his enterprise, okay. बघा, जेव्हा आपण ह्या एंटरप्रिनियरचा विचार करतो, जेव्हा आपण ह्या एंटरप्रिनियरचा विचार करतो, तेव्हा ओके, हा एंटरप्रिनियर कोण असतो? तर हा जो एंटरप्रिनियर आहे, हा जो उद्योजक आहे, ओके, त्याने एक एंटरप्राइज इनिशिएट केलेली असते, इनकॉर्पोरेट केलेली असते, ओके. आता जेव्हा तो एंटरप्राइज इनिशिएट करायचं असं ठरवतो, ओके, तेव्हाच त्याचे ओके भरपूर ओके ड्रीम्स त्या एंटरप्राइज, त्या वेंचर्सशी असोसिएटेड असतात, ओके. जेव्हा तो त्याच्या व्हेंचरबद्दल विचार करतो, जेव्हा तो त्याच्या एंटरप्राईजबद्दल विचार करतो, ओके, एंटरप्राईजबद्दल विचार करतानाच ओके भरपूर त्याने लाँग टर्म प्लॅन्स, लाँग टर्म ड्रीम्स त्याच्याशी कनेक्ट केलेले असतात. So when we think about this person, this entrepreneur, okay, this entrepreneur, he has his aims and ambitions related with the enterprise. Okay, means only initiating the enterprise, that much is not his dream. ओके, म्हणजे फक्त ते एंटरप्राईज स्टार्ट करणे एवढाच त्याचा मोटिव्ह नसतो किंवा एवढेच त्यांचे ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह नसतात. ओके, लाँग रनमध्ये ते व्हेंचर कसं प्रोग्रेस होईल, कसं त्या व्हेंचरचं ग्रोथ होईल, ओके, कशाप्रकारे त्या एंटरप्राईज ओके स्मॉल एंटरप्राईजमधून मीडियम एंटरप्राईजमधून लाँग एंटरप्राईज, ओके, अशा प्रकारे त्याचं कन्वर्जन होईल, लार्ज स्केल कंपनीमध्ये त्याचं कन्वर्जन होईल, ह्यासाठी ओके तो हायली ॲम्बिशियस असतो. ओके, सो वेन वी कन्सिडर दिस एंटरप्रेन्युअर, ओके, द कॉम्पिटन्सी or quality which should be there into his personality itself is ambition, or he should be having, yes, high ambition into him. Okay, then self-confidence. See, successful entrepreneurs have confidence in their skills and abilities. What it means? See, whenever we consider entrepreneurs or successful entrepreneurs, see, these people, okay, they are having confidence into the skills and abilities which they have. बघा, ह्या व्यक्तींना, ह्या इंडिव्हिज्युअल्सला ओके सेल्फ कॉन्फिडन्स असतो. सेल्फ कॉन्फिडन्स म्हणजे काय की आत्मविश्वास असतो. ओके, म्हणजे मी काहीतरी वेगळ्या गोष्टी करू शकेन, ओके, किंवा माझ्याकडे ज्या स्किल्स आहेत त्या स्किल्सच्या जोरावरती ओके एंटरप्राईज माझं सक्सेसफुली रन करेन, माझा बिझनेस जे आहे ते सक्सेसफुली रन करेन, ओके, एवढं त्याला माहीत असतं. ओके, त्याच्यामध्ये ती ॲबिलिटी असते. ओके, त्याच्यामध्ये ती ॲबिलिटी असते. ओके, की माझे जे स्किल्स आहेत त्याच्या बेसिसवरती जे मी लाँग टर्ममध्ये प्लॅन केलेलं आहे, ते ओके तो गोल मी अचीव करेन असं ओके त्याला नेहमी वाटत असतं. ओके, सो सक्सेसफुल एंटरप्रेन्युअर, okay, if an individual wants to be a successful entrepreneur, then he should be having confidence into what he has, that is skills and the abilities which he is having. Okay, means through his skills and ability itself he can mark the difference or distinctiveness in the market, okay, so that it can lead it towards success, and yes, it can mark his presence okay in the market. Then the foresight. Okay, foresight, what is foresight? Okay, foresight means a vision. Okay, a vision towards the future. Okay, see, this person, this entrepreneur, he should be able to forecast. Okay, he should be able to see द नियर फ्युचर. ओके, बघा, हा जो एंटरप्रेन्युअर आहे त्याच्याकडे एक डिस्टिंक्टिव्ह विजन असलं पाहिजे. ओके, डिस्टिंक्टिव्ह विजन असलं पाहिजे ज्याच्या थ्रू तो नियर फ्युचर जे आहे ओके भविष्यकाळ जो आहे ओके त्याच्यामधलं काही फोरकास्टिंग तो त्याच्या एंटरप्राईजशी रिलेटेड करू शकेल. Okay, so whenever we consider the entrepreneurs who are successful, Okay, such entrepreneurs, they do have a good foresight. Okay, they do have a good foresight. What it means? Yes, they can see the near future and they can predict the future. ओके, दे कॅन प्रेडिक्ट द फ्युचर, म्हणजे फ्युचरचा अंदाज ते घेऊ शकतात. म्हणजे फ्युचरमध्ये भविष्यकाळात कोणकोणते बदल ओके मार्केटमध्ये अपेक्षित आहेत किंवा मार्केटमध्ये घडतील. ओके, आणि त्या बेसिसवरती ओके आपल्या एंटरप्राईजवरती त्यांचा परिणाम काय होईल. ओके, आणि त्या परिणामांना आपण कसं फेस करायचं आहे. ओके, यासाठी ते प्लॅन करू शकतील. ओके, सो दिस इज अ थर्ड क्वालिटी और कॉम्पिटन्सी विच दिस पर्सन शुड बी हॅविंग. देन हार्डवर्क. If entrepreneurs desire to succeed in their enterprise, they should be prepared to work hard. Then the next quality which a successful entrepreneur should be having into him is hard work. See, if an individual wants to be a successful entrepreneur, he should be hardworking at his activities. Okay, if the entrepreneur desire to succeed in their enterprise, they should be prepared to work hard. They should be prepared to work hard. Means, yes, what he is required to do? He is required to be working hard, taking efforts, okay, to get his work completed into time. Okay, see, the hard working person always succeed, isn't it? Okay, बघा, हा जो एंटरप्रेन्युअर आहे त्याला जर सक्सेसफुल व्हायचं असेल, ओके, किंवा त्या इंडिव्हिज्युअलला सक्सेसफुल एंटरप्रेन्युअर व्हायचं असेल तर येस त्याने कष्ट केले पाहिजेत, हार्डवर्किंग केलं पाहिजे. ओके, त्याच्याशिवाय जे त्यांनी एम किंवा जे त्यांनी ॲम्बिशन ठरवलेलं आहे, गोल्स ठरवले असतील ऑर्गनायझेशनचे, ओके, ते तो अचीव करू शकणार नाही. ओके, देन इट इज इमोशनल बॅलन्स. ओके, इमोशनल बॅलन्स. दे ट्रीट द सिच्युएशन्स ॲज normal features of business and remain calm and quiet. Okay, see, when we consider the entrepreneurs, see some situations, okay, some situations the businesses they do face. Okay, some situations the businesses they do face. Okay, okay, some situations the businesses they do face into their day-to-day activities or day-to-day operations. Okay, when we consider day-to-day operations, okay, when we consider the day-to-day operations, okay, then some situations they are harder to face. Okay, some situations they are soft in nature, some situations they are harder in nature. Okay, there are certain tough times into your business or into your enterprise. Okay, see, being an entrepreneur, yes, you are supposed to bear the risk related to it. Okay, but okay, whenever you are facing such type of situations, what you should be doing? Yes, you should always remain calm and quiet. Okay, if you can have this emotional balance, okay, if you have this emotional balance, surely you will be a successful entrepreneur. Then it is decision making ability. Okay, decision making ability. Okay, the successful entrepreneurs have a good decision making ability. Okay, the successful entrepreneurs have a good decision making ability. Okay, means, see, whenever we consider the enterprise, what is important? Yes, when we consider enterprise, okay, timely decision making is important. For example, okay, what are the decisions which the entrepreneur needs to take into his business? Yes, what are the different situations or different decisions, okay, which this person is needed to finalize related to his enterprise? Yes, for example, raw materials. Okay, which quality of raw materials should be purchased? Okay, from where to purchase? Okay, if additional production is to be done, who will provide us with the raw materials? Then, okay, whom to hire? Okay, the laborers or the employees or the workers who will be working for you. Okay, who will be working for you? Is it? When we consider this, okay, what criteria of selection should be adopted? This is also a decision. Then, which market or which place is to be decided for, okay, selling our product, which is a perfect location? Okay, where to establish the enterprise? Okay, all these are the decisions which the entrepreneur needs to take timely. Okay, needs to take timely. Now, if there is delay into finalizing of these decisions, what will happen? Okay, if there are delay into the decision making which is urgent and important, surely it will affect your business. So, okay, this entrepreneur, he should be having the decision making ability. Okay, then courtesy. See, courtesy, what it means? See, the entrepreneurs, they need to deal with n number of people. Is it? For example, customers, vendors, employees, government officials, and the general public, whom we term as the stakeholders of your business. Okay? While dealing with all these people, he should be courteous, okay, and deal with them in a modest manner. Okay? He should be polite and honest into his activities. Okay, means while speaking with all these people, while communicating with all these people, he should be having softness into him. Okay, बघा, आपण जेव्हा कस्टमरशी, वेंडॉरशी, एम्प्लॉईज, गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिशियल्स आणि जनरल पब्लिकशी जेव्हा कम्युनिकेट करणार आहोत, त्यांच्याशी बोलणार आहोत, ओके, तेव्हा एक गोष्ट महत्त्वाची जी असते ती म्हणजे कर्टेसी आणि मॉडेस्टी. ओके, आपल्यामध्ये पोलाइटनेस असला पाहिजे, ऑनेस्टी असली पाहिजे. ओके, ड्यू टू विच वी कॅन कम्युनिकेट विथ दिस ऑल स्टेक होल्डर्स इन अ राईट मॅनर. Okay, or else, okay, it will not lead us towards a success. Okay, then the communication skill. See, communication skill is another important quality of successful entrepreneurs. Okay, for being successful, what you need to do is, yes, you should be strong at communication. Okay, because your communication skill should be soft ones. Okay, while communicating with your customers, you should be soft. Okay, you should be softly communicating. Okay, if you are using harsh words or if you are hurting the stakeholders, surely your business, your enterprise will be affected. Okay, which will not be good for your organization's future as well as present. Then the good character. Okay, the character of an entrepreneur has become an important quality in modern business. Okay, means, See, as a personality, okay, as a personality, your reflection, okay, reflection of your image will always be there into the society. ओके, म्हणजे बघा, जेव्हा तुम्ही एंटरप्रिन्युअर असता, ओके, बघा, हे सगळे स्टेक होल्डर तर तुमच्या ऑर्गनायझेशनमध्ये पीक करत असतातच. ओके, तुमच्या ऑर्गनायझेशनमध्ये लुक इन करत असतातच. बट ओके, not only as a businessman but into other things also. For example, see, many of the entrepreneurs, what they do, they, yes, focus on corporate social responsibility. ओके, बघा ते काय करतात, तर ते शुअरली, ओके, काय करतात तर येस, कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी म्हणजे काय, समाजासाठी म्हणून त्यांच्या प्रॉफिटचा काही भाग डोनेट करतात. म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल, जर काही नोटबुक्सच्या ज्या कंपनीज आहेत ते त्यांच्या प्रॉफिटमधला थोडासा शेअर हायर एज्युकेशनसाठी किंवा पुअर चिल्ड्रन्सच्या एज्युकेशनसाठी इम्पार्ट करतात. ओके, तशाच प्रकारे काही कंपनीज जे आहेत ते व्हीलचेअर्स, ओके, किंवा अशा प्रकारचे जे डिसेबलसाठी जे हे आहेत इक्विपमेंट्स आहेत ते डोनेट करतात. ओके, अशा प्रकारे जेव्हा आपण करतो, त्यांच्याबद्दल आपण वाचतो, एंटरप्रिनियर्सबद्दल, ओके, एक मनामध्ये आपल्या त्या व्यक्तीचं, ओके, जे रिफ्लेक्शन आहे ते पॉझिटिव्ह पडतं. बरोबर आहे. अशाच प्रकारे एंटरप्रिनियर्स जे आहेत, दे शुड बी हॅव्हिंग अ गुड कॅरेक्टर. Okay, they should be having a good image into the society. Then motivational ability, the successful entrepreneurs has the ability to motivate the employees. Okay, see, unless until the laborers or workers or employees of your organization they work, unless until the employees of your organization they do work, okay, what will happen? Yes, unless until they work, your production activity will not be completed. So you should be able to motivate these people, okay, to that extent that your employees don't need any type of supervision. ओके, म्हणजे तुमच्या एम्प्लॉईजला अशा प्रकारे तुम्ही मोटिवेट केलं पाहिजे की सुपरवायझरच्या ॲब्सेन्समध्ये सुद्धा, ओके, त्यांनी कोणत्याही प्रकारे टंगळमंगळ न करता काम केलं पाहिजे. ओके, देन अपॉर्च्युनिस्ट. ओके, अपॉर्च्युनिस्ट मीन्स वॉट? ओके, द एंटरप्रिनियर, he should be having that ability to search for opportunity. Okay, the entrepreneur should be having that opportunity to search, okay, to search something good into everything which comes before his enterprise. Okay, he always searches for opportunities, and only searching the opportunity that is not enough. Okay, what he needs to do is he needs to exploit them. He needs to exploit them. Then the patience. Okay, then the patience. See, the successful entrepreneurs have lot of patience. Okay, means today I have undertaken production activity. Okay, tomorrow I am having the selling activity. Okay, I sell the product in the market. Okay, immediately I will be earning profit. Okay, this is not the thing. Okay, see, someday you will be earning profit, someday you will be suffering with the heavy losses. Okay, each day is different. Each day is different. Okay, today is different, tomorrow will be different for your enterprise. Okay, so you should be having patience till, okay, you receive the profit. Okay, means profit or loss, this is a phase of business which your business will be facing, which your enterprise will be facing. But okay, see, successful entrepreneurs, they never get deprived by the failures or distressed by the failures, and they never fly, okay, they never fly with continuous profit. Okay, so the entrepreneur who always stick to the land, okay, or the people, the entrepreneur who always are on the earth, okay, those who are always on the earth, okay, who stick with the soil, okay, these people, they always become successful. So for being entrepreneur, you are in need of all this quality, okay, you should be having all these competencies into you, so that you can become a successful entrepreneur. With this I conclude today's lecture. Thank you.